really nice weather today. Nice still day, it's what we needed. We were removing some Italian poplars that had just grown too big for the client's space. Not very nice to try and deal with in the wind as they're very tall and spindly. Yeah, that was good to be teaching the apprentices.
If your back cut's level with the front, then the hinge is going to break a lot quicker.
Yeah. But yeah, when I was like trying to cut it, I felt like my saw wasn't really like moving.
You're cutting square then, and if you cut square rather than chasing it, you know what I mean, then that's when it keeps your cuts more level.
Keeps it straight, yeah.
And we had that, some removals there in tight space, some pruning of some elms and some pyrus as well, just giving them a bit of a neaten up for a long-term client.
This is textbook. You've got a nice, because as it's coming, it's closed. It's that hinge is broken and it's come off nicely. And it's actually, you did phenomenally.